Okay, so our first trip to Potter Marsh went really good.
Yep.
The battery died on the camera, so we didn't get a whole lot of footage, but we did learn 3 things about the van that we want to address pretty quickly. The back windows aren't tinted, so the sun glares in on the kids pretty bad. The van misses going down the highway. We're going to try to figure that out. And then the third thing is it's very noisy going down the highway because it's just a panel van. You know, there's less windows in it. There's no insulation in the walls. The floor just has the carpet that we put in. So it's really noisy going down the highway, and we're going to try to fix that as well. We have a package from Amazon.
Are we going to open it?
We're going to open it. We're going to see what we got in here that will help out with the van. Oh, here we go. That'll help out. Give you something to do in the van.
Yeah, that is the nozzle.
Okay, so one of the first things we're going to do is plug in our scanner to see what is going on with the engine. I'll show you. Right here. Cylinder 6 misfire. Alright. So number 6 is really easy to get to. Well, relatively speaking. From the front, on the driver's side, it goes 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the one we're going to change. Here's the old one. And the way it's supposed to look. Here's the stuff we picked up to help with the sound. It's called Kill Mat. They come in pre-cut pieces this big. And they're sticky on one side.
Right now, I want to keep it. Okay?
There you go. Roll it.
I'm going to keep that though. That's what it
Catch a little bug.
I know.
Installed. Cut pieces to go inside here, and now it's definitely more of a thud rather than a rattle. So I think it'll make a difference. Fixing the seal around the door here. It's falling off in a bunch of different spots. Need to use these little clips. Go inside these little holes here. Right there. The original ones are kind of worn out and they don't stick into the holes so good. So now I got these brand new ones. Should pop in there and hold it in place really well. Right, so we're going to install the privacy window film on the back doors.
Yep.
Here's the difference between the window without the privacy film and the window with it.